Well, this probably will be a bumpy ride, but what I'm going to do is, just to remind myself or somebody else that's interested, probably nobody ever is, but I put a bit of wax paper down on my table to stop it getting stuck up. Greaseproof paper or wax paper, whatever you want to call it. I get mixed up with the Yanks, as they call it everything. And what I've done, I've put 2 pieces of card, which I use card now, 160 GSM, and it's quite stiff, and putting the end papers in is quite a trauma for me, and a few other people I've found that I've been looking at, they seem to have a lot of trouble. But I think this cures the fault. What I do both of them together, unless I'm doing, I don't do more than one book at a time. So this is 2 pieces of foolscap GSM, 160 GSM, coloured paper I've got on this. I've got blue at the moment, and because I'm going to do the bookbinding in blue on this book here. So what you do then is stick a little bit of paper along the edge, like I'm trying to show you, and do the thing at the same time, and I'm drifting. So there we go. It's all approximate, this. It doesn't have to be too what they call them. I'm using a steel ruler. Obviously you wouldn't use a steel ruler, but I'm doing this so that I can use my both hands, and because I'm trying to film at the same time as I'm trying to show you this. And then get a little bit of glue. I'm just trying to put a bit of weight on that, that's all. Put my little roller on. That's a handy little gadget, that roller, for doing the spines and things when you've got the glue on. And then just apply a little bit of glue. I just gone into my pot and took a little bit of glue. You don't need a lot. And you just do both of them together. And you work away from the work out like that. And this is 50 paste and 50% glue, so it gives you a fair time to gives you a chance to get things sorted out before it starts going off. And then I can move everything now. As I say, I wouldn't use a steel ruler. So now what I do is put my book down, take one sheet, all you need, that little strip, go under, I'm doing this with one hand, don't forget, onto the book, level it off like so, and voila, a perfect fit. I know you shouldn't use 80 GSM and people frown on it, but by God it works. And if it works, it's okay for me. So now what we do is we turn the book over, the bookcase over, and we do the same time, offer up the glue face down, glued side face down, see, I really need 2 hands, but I'm doing my best. See, and I don't know if you know with PVA glues that it's the pressure, not the glue, that works. It's the pressure on the glue that makes the glue actually stick. So there we go. And there you have it. That's it. A little bit of pressure, and I can put it in my little binder and just give it a little squeeze, because I keep telling you it's the pressure that works everything. And you'll see that there's no glue anywhere. There's no glue floating around anywhere. I must, I don't know whether you can see that, but quick tighten up. It doesn't need more than a few seconds. Sorry I keep going out of focus. It's hard to look at the job and then look at the book, and I keep saying that, nobody's listening. So there we go. In fact, you only need, it doesn't need too much pressure, and you've only got it on the front end. Keep things under pressure for a few seconds. It's really good for the book. Doing things with one hand is absolutely torturous. I'm trying to screw the lid on this and I cannot do it. There we go. I should put that out of the way. I'm nearly out of the glue, so I've got a batch made up of my own to make. There, what I made, not to make. Stupid, I talk stupid. And there we go. Now I can unscrew this. It doesn't want distressing. I mean, you wouldn't go and open the thing up and check it all now. There's nothing to check anyway. It's only that little bit at the thingy. And these presses are marvellous. I know I made them myself, but they are really good. And they saves you a load of work. And there you are. You've got your end caps, your end pieces are on. So all in good working order. As usual, I got the book the wrong way around. No mistakes, no happenings, no cutting up, no nothing. Perfect. So that's that little bit. That's all I wanted to show you. I'll stop there.